Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to create a banner art for your YouTube channel. First, open Play Store and download Pixelab application. After downloading this application, tap on Open. After opening, click on top right 3 dots. Now tap on Image Size. Click on these arrow. Now select the YouTube channel banner here. Now delete this text from here. Now, after that, click on the center circle and select any color that you like in the background. Here, go to color and select the background color of your choice. Now after that, type on top left add text. Here I write the name of my channel. After that, select any good font which you like. And from here you can also change the color of the text. So our banner is ready now. Now tap on this arrow to save image. Now tap on Save Image. Now tap on Save to Gallery. In this way you can make banner for YouTube channel.